I'm Arunkumar from Gemini Power Hydraulics. We are a Bombay-based company and dealing with various kinds of hydraulic tools which are used for maintenance industries, catering to cement plants, power plants, refineries, fabric engineering and fabrication industries. You can see that we are dealing with hydraulic jacks, which we deal from right from 5 tons to 1000 tons of various stroke lengths, and also hydraulic torque wrenches right up to 50,000 Newton meters, pullers up to 50 ton capacity, and also equipments catering to the mining industries, which are used for lifting of the dumpers and all those, and also impact wrenches, battery operated torque wrenches, all this we are dealing it predominantly, and these all comes from Europe, predominantly either from UK and Italy and all those. Thank you.